Good morning. It's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button somewhere in my hand. Right there, right there, right there, right there. That one, that one, that one.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Today's the day. The handles go on and we get this finished. I took clear coat, semi-gloss, Rust-Oleum 2X spray clear, and I cleared the front of the drawers. You can see it's kind of glossy now because I didn't want to take the chance of putting the hard coat on it and smearing the glaze. My fear was that this was going to reactivate the glaze and smear it all over the place because they're both water-based, but it probably wouldn't have. It dried overnight, but I still went, I don't want to do it. I literally thought about it as I went to sleep last night, and it was the first thing I thought about when I woke up this morning was, I don't want to do it. So we're going to put the handles on. I've poked a hole where we drilled the hole, and the handles are going on. And yes, it is the star point. I know some of you are disappointed, but I'm the tiebreaker. We're going to get rain here in a minute. If you hear thunder, just rain, not severe. I think. I don't even know if you guys can hear that, but oh. Anyway, first things first, let's hold this down, push that up so we're not pushing the paper off at all. That don't work, do it? Did I not get this in the center? Problem. There's always a problem, isn't there? The star point doesn't fit on this one. Of course it doesn't. That's okay. You know what I'm thinking? I think it would have been too much with it on the third one anyway. All right. I was already going, I want this one to be this way, and then I'm going to do the other two this way to make it look different, because if I did them all the same direction, it would look weird because they were out of balance. I mean, my brain was already calculating how to make that look right with the third one. So here's what we're doing, is we're not going to put this on the middle one because it didn't fit anyway. So we just roll with it, y'all. Roll with it. I've got one more left to put on here. Where is it? Yes, I got excited and I put one on without you guys. So what? Packages this week. I'm very excited. I've got some, I've been cleaning all morning. So it's a little later in the afternoon. I've been cleaning all morning and getting pieces washed up. I've been doing listings. I cleaned up a bunch of Tupperware because I'm hoping I need replacement pieces. I'm hoping I need to replace some sold pieces. Do we want it with more black or more gold? More black. One has more gold, one has more black. And the other one has more black, so we're doing more black. And then the first person I'm going to show is the former owner, because she gifted me this piece, and I want to show her what it looks like now, because she wanted me to work my magic on it. She said, magic. Make some magic. We'll tighten those down. she will see it before you because you're not going to see this till tomorrow. So I'm going to text her a picture in a second. I'm so happy. Y'all, I don't even know what to say. I'm very excited with how that turned out. I love it. Okay, so anyway, I have nothing to do now. Everything I have to do is outside of this room. And that is getting prepared for Pick a Fence Gals this week, getting packed for that, getting ready for the chaos that's going to ensue. We're going to be on Twin Cities Live on Thursday. So it'll be hopefully mass chaos Friday and Saturday. I don't know. Last time we did Fox 9, it definitely helps. People did come in and see the shop because they saw it on TV. So hopefully that's what's going to happen this time. I'm excited. I won't get to see it. I'll be working on Thursday when it happens. I won't get to see it. They're filming early. But, so I won't get to see our owner on Twin Cities Live. But my husband said they rerun it at midnight. So I'll be able to, I'm like, wake me up at midnight. I want to see it. I want to see our shop. Excited. Oh, it'll probably be online somewhere. But anyway. I have been listing eBay items, so I haven't been posting them on Etsy. I did make an Etsy sale. I've got to get that packed up and out the door. But yeah, I've just been working on eBay stuff because eBay doesn't cost me money. You know, I'm getting tired of the 30 cents. It doesn't seem like a lot until you realize how many pieces that you have listed with Etsy and how long they sometimes sit before they sell. So every 3 months you get 30 cents. So annually you're paying like $1.20 just to let it sit there. Hopefully you're not letting things sit too long. I am. Like I have things that have been on there for a couple years and I'm like, essentially I lose my profit margin for things that are selling that were on there for a while. So I'm kind of gradually moving things into eBay. And then eBay has this really neat function of, you know, sell one like this. So if you go into the sold listings on eBay and you find one that is the same as what you're selling, you can click sell one like this and it will pre-populate all the information that person of that item that was already sold. All that information's already in there. Kind of makes listing a little faster for me. And I like the fact that I don't hit publish and they go, here's 30 cents. We're taking 30 cents just for that privilege, you know, and their fees are incrementally going up and I don't think they want to be a vintage selling platform really. Not to say, you know, to whine about it, because I've heard a lot of wars going on between the Etsy people, the handmade Etsy and the vintage Etsy. And there's like other sites that are coming up for vintage people because Etsy just, all they want to be is a vintage. I get it. I get it. Etsy was a handmade platform when it started, and now they've got a lot of drop shippers and resellers, and it's probably very frustrating for them. But I don't like the fees. I don't like all the fees. Like, it gets ridiculous with the amount of fees that they're charging. So anyway, I'm not going to go on a rant about that, but that's why I've been gradually like moving to eBay stuff, because I'm like, I'm kind of like, I got an Etsy withdrawal from my bank account, and like I just made a sale. Most of the profits taken up with paying for all my listings. So there's a bunch of listings that'll come due now. Like they're 30 cents, they're 30 cents, they're 30 cents. So if you did one a day for a month, you know, when you start getting to the point where I was kind of doing one a day, and it was continual one a day for several months. It's like every month you have 30 items that are renewing for 30 cents an item. You suddenly get hit with that when you make a sale and you're like, all my profit went away. Why did I make like $4 on this? Because they took all their fees for all the other stuff that you have on their site. And anyway, they have the absolute right to do that. I get that. I'm not complaining about that. It's just that eBay doesn't charge me that at all. So I don't have the hang of eBay yet. So for those of you who are like, how do you like eBay? I don't know. I don't know yet. You know, I started on Etsy online and I got used to that. And now I'm transitioning to eBay, and hopefully, I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. It's that hyper independence I have. I'll figure it out. Oh, anyway. Thanks for being with me on this project. She's lovely. I'm happy with her. She's got to sit here and cure for a while. Definitely don't want it to get, I'm not taking it out and putting it in the shop right away because I want it to, you know, I don't want anybody to set anything on it or get dinged. And I actually want to, I think, make my booth all about this next month. So I think this is going to probably go into Pick a Fence Gals next month. Unless something sells this month and I desperately need it. That's a good problem to have. Let's hope maybe that'll happen. I will more than likely put this in next month at Pick It. So thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.